Stops is a kind of Pokemon for humans. It combines everything, the geolocation, the augmented reality, the time machine, so you can look how things were a long time ago, and you can put in time specific time slots where you can have the digital drops showing within a specific location. All this probably doesn't make sense for most people, so let me illustrate it, how it looks like and what it is. I have my phone. I'll just jump into the screen, not me, but I will show the screen to you out there in 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Okay, so welcome to Stops. We are loading the app. What you're going to see is the camera with a digital overlay. So here it is. We can see there's a green bubble. What that is, stay tuned and I'll tell you in a second. You see 1.7 kilometer, that is the distance measurement. And if you go take it up, you can then use and say, I want to know everything within 210 meters. Around there isn't anything, but you can then adjust it and say, okay, I would like to know what's within 2 kilometers. So in that direction, around 2 kilometers, we see a Wikipedia. It's called Sluserholm, Copenhagen. Okay, fine. But we could make digital drops, which I mentioned. And here we see some of the green ones, and we have one here. The test is a digital drop which I tested. We see the video, we can press play, then the video plays, or we can see the location of the map, and we can open the map to get the specific location of where I drop it, or where all my digital drops are, or meetups, or Wikipedia, whatever you want it to filter. You can put it in here and add some filters. All right, so back to the real thing. We can then look around, we can look for meetups. We can see there's like a meetup in that direction. So there's a photocopy, 3.5 kilometers. We can press on it and then it will show up. So let me show you one more here. All right, so we have this meetup. We can then go in and read more about the meetup. And yeah, so we can see the videos. You can see that one we just had it like the test. Once again, is illustrated not with a bubble, but the video itself, and you can then press play. We can drop a stop, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to drop this unfiltered video here at the HubLearn's location. But now back to the screen and then back to the camera, so we take it from the camera and not through the phone. All right, welcome back to the camera. I just stopped the screen recording. So that is Stops roughly, how it works, and the more tutorial stuff I will be sharing that with you. But I encourage everyone to download the app and start doing treasure hunt for your shop or for your friends or whoever. But I will start publishing all the videos into Stops so you can follow the journey of HubLearn and its project Shop by Locals.